They were wooden frames, often strung with woven reeds or leather strips, topped with cushions or folded linens. You, however, are not wealthy. You lie on a simple mat rolled out over a stone or packed earth floor. The mat is made of woven rushes. It scratches faintly against your skin, and it carries the dry scent of plant fiber. At least you're off the damp ground now. Elevation, even slight, helps with airflow and discourages insects from crawling directly onto you. Small victories. The stone beneath the mat holds onto the day's heat for a while after sunset. In warmer climates, that can be comforting. In colder months, it becomes an unyielding slab of chill. You shift again, trying to find a softer angle. Your shoulder meets resistance. Your lower back arches awkwardly. Homes at this time are multi-purpose spaces. The room you sleep in during the night might serve as a workspace by day. Privacy remains rare. In Roman homes, especially modest ones, entire families often sleep in the same room. The idea of a dedicated bedroom is a luxury. You glance around. Oil lamps flicker faintly, casting golden halos on plaster walls. Their smoke leaves dark stains over time. Ventilation is limited. The scent of olive oil lingers faintly in the air. Outside, the city murmurs, distant footsteps on stone streets. The occasional call of a night watchman. In ancient Rome, wealthier citizens sleep on beds called lectus, wooden frames, sometimes adorned with carved legs. Rope or leather straps crisscross the frame to support a mattress stuffed with straw, wool, or feathers. But even these early mattresses flatten quickly. They require constant fluffing and replacement. Scholars still argue whether most common. Romans had regular access to stuffed mattresses, or relied more heavily on simple pallets and mats. Textual evidence suggests variety, but archaeology reveals just how perishable bedding materials were. Most of what you would have slept on has long since decayed. You run your hand under your head. No soft pillow greets you. In Egypt, some people use curved wooden or stone headrests. These are small supports designed to cradle the neck while keeping the head elevated. They look elegant, almost sculptural, but they are firm. Imagine resting your skull on carved wood and calling it comfort. There's a practical logic to it. Elevation helps protect elaborate hairstyles. It may also discourage insects from crawling into ears or noses at night. Practicality often outweighs plushness in the ancient world. A quirky detail: in some Egyptian tombs, headrests are buried with the deceased, suggesting that comfort, or at least habit, extends into the afterlife. You can almost picture someone trying to get comfortable for eternity on polished stone. You shift again on your woven mat. Outside, the temperature drops slowly. Without glass windows, air moves freely through shutters and openings. That breeze is welcome in summer, but relentless in winter.